Big update. Vechain will hit $1,000. Nowadays, many are arguing which of the cryptocurrencies has a greater potential for growth. Increasingly, there are thoughts that the supporters of Vechain will emerge victorious from this struggle. Welcome to the Finance App channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. What do you think will be the maximum price for Vechain in 2022? Write the answers in the comments. In this video, we will look at such questions as whether Vechain will be able to continue its growth. Find out the current price of Vechain. Consider analysts' forecasts about the future of Vechain. Vet's own public blockchain token has witnessed steady growth over the past month. As the price fluctuated between two parallel lines pointing north, Alt showed a 40.2% increase on its monthly charts. Consequently, on November 5th, Vet reached its 5-month high and bounced back between parallel lines, following the trend. However, altcoin declined by 3.92% in 24 hours, as technical data hinted at a decrease in purchasing power in the near term. At the time of publication in the press, Vet was trading at $0.15376. The RSI indicator fell by 9 points and headed towards the middle line, indicating a decrease in purchasing power in the near future. Moreover, the DMI showed superior purchasing power, but indicated a possible weakening of bullish momentum when the D-line was looking down. In addition, OW blinked red signals and confirmed the previous readings. It might be a slow day for the crypto market, but one blockchain community is gearing up for a major upgrade. One that has been in the works for some time now. The live Vechain price today is $0.136798 United States dollars with a 24-hour trading volume of $690 million United States dollars. We update our Vet to USD price in real time. Vechain is down 6.72% in the last 24 hours. A few weeks ago, the price of Vechain, against the background of the expectation of the first phase of POA 2.0, seemed to demonstrate an independent rally. On November 16, when the first stage of the Vechain Proof of Authority 2.0 surface consensus algorithm was launched, the market expected a similar price increase. However, given the weakness of the broader market, Vet had other plans. The latest update of the consensus mechanism is designed to improve several aspects of network security and key operations. It will also make the blockchain more eco-friendly. It is noteworthy that a week ago, when the same thing was just announced, the price of Vechain increased by 15% in just 48 hours. This time too, even though the larger market looked bleak, the upgrade was supposed to be a monumental step for the network as well as the price. However, when BTC fell by 10%, the same thing affected the Vet price. Consequently, crypto assets fell by almost 15% during the non-working update time. In fact, Vet has been closely monitoring the Bitcoin price since September, falling more and more whenever the royal coin drops. Post the upgrade announcement, however, Vet had started charting its own trajectory. Alas, it failed to keep the rally up as the larger market fell. Even though the short-term trajectory presented by the altcoin has been somewhat worrisome, the asset's volatility remained low. It noted a reading of 1.03 at press time, while the Sharpe ratio still held higher values, making the asset comparatively safer. While the Sharpe coefficient has declined over the past couple of days, at the time of writing it still had higher values. Moreover, the total supply of stable asset coins owned by whales, with more than $5 million US, also held up well against the backdrop of volatile price action. Simply put, the latest price drop didn't save the Vet whales. In addition, while the spot market looked relatively calmer, the main blow of the price drop fell on the perpetual Vet market, as OIVET fell by 7.31% in the last 24 hours. In addition, on November 16, against the background of a fall in the price of altcoin, about 2.51 million long positions worth $2.51 million were liquidated. However, the recovery of the RSI on a lower time frame gave some hope for the Vet price. While the price seemed to be still declining, a rebound from the critical 11 cents mark would have been necessary for Alt. At the time of writing, Vechain was trading at 14 cents amid a weekly decline of 16.09%. Higher social expectations and an influx of funds from retailers could push Vet prices forward next week, provided the larger market stabilizes. The latest update of the consensus mechanism is expected to improve several aspects of security and key operations of the network, making it even more environmentally friendly. The supply chain tracking network Vechain has just updated its consensus mechanism to what it claims is the world's greenest method of verifying blocks in the chain. On Tuesday, Vechain reached an important milestone in its 6-year history by upgrading its main Vechain Thor network to the first phase of the Proof of Authority 2.0 surface consensus algorithm. Vechain is a supply chain tracking system launched in 2015 and combines physical tracking with blockchain record-keeping. POA and proof of participation differ from proof of work in that they do not require mining to achieve consensus on the network. POA achieves consensus by verifying the identity of users, while POS does this by placing coins on the network. The Vechain network operates with only 101 nodes. Fewer nodes reduces decentralization, but increases the speed and reliability of the network. This is generally preferred for commercial and industrial applications. For comparison, Bitcoin currently has 13,244 nodes, while Ethereum has 2,701. An additional advantage is that POA is less energy intensive and emits a very low amount of carbon. Vechain suggested that the new update is the most eco-friendly consensus in the world for mass adoption. According to the official announcement, the update consists of 3 main components. The first is a verifiable randomness function that reliably and randomly assigns nodes to create blocks or process transactions, making them immune to corruption. The second is the process of creating blocks approved by the committee, which significantly reduces the likelihood of network branching. Branching can lead to delays and reduce network bandwidth. The third component is the process of confirming the completion of the passive block. This helps ensure that new blocks are completed even if all nodes in the network are out of sync. The POA 2.0 surface upgrade is also aimed at improving scalability, security and throughput in the Vechain Thor mainnet network. The Vechain team explained in the announcement that a secure adaptive approach to using POA 2.0 with a relatively fork-free extension of the chain is needed to meet the needs of future blockchain applications and growing global demand. Various exchanges, including Binance and Crypto.com, supported the hard fork Vechain, whose native cryptocurrency Vet has fallen by about 10% in the last 24 hours. The Vechain project also announced on Tuesday the election of a second steering committee. SC is designed to promote effective decision-making and ensure fairness and efficiency of execution on all fundamental issues. Do you think Vechain will be able to continue to maintain such a high level? Write answers in the comments. For today I'm saying goodbye to you. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then please like and subscribe to the channel.